During the Gilded Age, one mansion on Chicago's Prairie Avenue stood as more than just a home. It was a bold declaration of power. This was the Chicago mansion of George and Hattie Pullman. In 1868, Pullman secured a prime corner lot among the city's elite and set out to build a residence worthy of his rising empire. He hired architect Henry S. Jaffray, who designed the mansion in the fashionable Second Empire style, an architectural language reserved for wealth, influence, and ambition. Completed in 1876, the Pullman Mansion sprawled across more than 21,000 square feet. Inside, luxury ruled every corner. A private 200-seat theater, a bowling alley, billiards room, grand dining halls, a conservatory, and even a massive pipe organ. This wasn't just a house. It was a stage for high society. Throughout the 1880s and 1890s, the Pullmans hosted extravagant gatherings, often welcoming more than 400 guests in a single night. In 1892, for their daughter Harriet's wedding, the mansion was expanded yet again, adding a breathtaking 40-foot glass-domed palm room that became its crown jewel. But Chicago kept changing. Industry moved in, the elite moved north, and the glory faded. After the mansion was emptied, this Gilded Age palace was demolished in 1922. The house is gone, but its legacy still defines an era of American ambition and excess.